And here we are,
sunny Vegas.
sunny Vegas.
At InfoComm, talking about food, which is the most unexpected thing, I
Food
guess.
and AV?
From Impro AV, yeah, but what is the reason why we talk about food? So, cool, I'm not sure about you. For me, I'm looking at black boxes, right? I'm an integrator. I need signal management in my rooms. I'm looking at all the black boxes, all the vendors offering.
You're hungry for AV.
I'm hungry for AV.
You're hungry for extension.
I'm hungry for extension. Yeah, we are getting ahead of things. So they look the same, right? More or less black boxes. Look at all the black boxes.
Of course.
We have 15 different HDMI 2.0 extenders, and they almost look the same. So we need something to differentiate, and this is what takes us to being hungry,
Yeah.
right?
What can we do?
So check this out. You like burger?
I love burgers.
How do you like your burger?
I like my burger with cheese, ketchup,
Okay.
and lettuce.
Let's make a burger for you. But obviously, these are extender burgers, right? So there's
Yes.
not the traditional burger. So check this out. Imagine you got a plain HDMI 2.0 burger. You got your bun. That's a Cat A, 6A, 7 bun that is good for 100 meters or 330 feet. You got 4K 60. You got control RS232.
Sure.
That's the basic stuff. That's our classic burger. Now you said, what do you want in your
What
burger?
if I'm hungry for more? What if I have more extensive AV taste? What if I need more out of my burger?
What would
Something
you-
like, what if we need Dante audio? What if I want a little spicy Dante? I think we can add it on there.
Yeah.
There's our Dante sauce or tomato, what
Exactly.
have you.
Now, I like Dante, I like tomato, absolutely. But you know what I love the most in my burger? Some pickles. So I
Ooh.
would love to have some scaling there.
It's a good looking
And
burger
that's-
so far.
Yes. So that actually at this point, we can have an argument. We can either have our Dante extend transmitter receiver pair, which is the TX107D and RX107D, or we go for something with scaling.
Craving
Right?
something different.
So something different. In that case, the tomato is out of the burger, and we got our cheese back, right? Because that's analog audio. But anyway, we can twist and turn this, and by doing so, I'm really getting super hungry. So I need to grab a burger after this.
I say we order.
But I think we can build on this. And first of all, if someone at InfoComm can come here and play with this, like in the kiosk. But we can also use this to tell our customers what our different extenders can do. If you think about them as a burger of different layers of ingredients of signals, right?
Absolutely. All jokes aside, I mean, I think this is a great way to showcase that there's a whole lot more to AV than just a box with extension. There's a whole lot of different features that people seem to dismiss or write off that I think they're worth showing off here in this way.
I hope we did. Awesome.